Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Sarab dari Pari. Di sini saya akan melanjutkan praktikum ethical hacker yang ke 3.2.10 yaitu network sniffing with Wireshark. So, the objective is 3. Prepare the host, capture network traffic, capture and save network traffic, and view and analyze the packet capture. So, there's a background scenario, required resources kali VM and internet access. Instruction is prepare the host, capture network traffic, start the virtual kali machine, and login. And start the terminal. We can use the PWD and home kali. Determine the IP address of the kali internet interface using the ifconfig. We can see the IP here and record the IP address, MAC address, and the interface. This will be originating on the kali machine. I think it's here. Oh, it's a little far. Yeah, I think it's paste here or the BR 10661 like the practicum before. We can put here if we forget IP root. Try to IP root. Record the IP address of the default gateway, the default gateway for IRP, and default gateway. Oh, default is 10.2. Oh, we can use the cat command to see the resolve conf. We can see the name server 111 dan 888. Record the IP address, default DNS server, and capture the save the network traffic. Open the terminal and start the cpdump. Open the terminal, ifconfig, in the ifconfig input, find the interface yang correspond the Ethernet adapter. It usually Ethernet 0. Ethernet 0 is here 10.02, and replace the interface text with the, so we can use here paste 10.0.2.15 kali now such device exists. So to capture the HTTP request, the TCP dump, the I command is option allows you to specify the interface. If not specified, the TCP dumps will capture all the traffic on all interface. The S command option specify the length of the snapshot to each for each packet. Setting this option to 0 sets in to the default of 262.144. The V command option is used to write the result of the TCP dump command to a file, adding the extension 0 pick dot pickup ensure that operation system and application will be able to read the file. All recorded traffic will be printed to the file packet dump. Step 2, to generate network traffic using a web browser. To capture the HTTP request and reply, open a web browser in Kali Desktop, navigate to the Google Chrome. Here and enter the packet. We will log in with my Skills for All. And after we finally to login the information, return to the terminal window that is running TCP dump utility to tap to enter and enter CTRL-C, Ctrl-C to complete the packet capture. TCP dump. Ctrl-C. There is 689 packet received, and we can use the command ls packet dump pickup. It's same like this. It receives the output named packet dump pickup. This file should be saved in the default home directory. And view the analysis the packet capture is Wireshark. Use the file open menu and packet dump pickup in the file name field. Click open. A screen should be open displaying content of packet dump pickup. So we will use the file file open and we will use the pickup. Packet done. open, and there is information about the PCAP, packet dump PCAP, uh, and we will analyze the DNS traffic when you type the website URL into your browser. Your PC perform a DNS query into the DNS server IP address. Observing the DNS queries, and response provide the names, URLs, and IP address of site users visits. Knowing websites that are commonly visited by user can be valuable when formulating social engineering attack. And filter capture traffic only display DNS queries on, and the response enter DNS in the filter field on the Wireshark main screen. You will notice that in the addition of the skills for all website that you request, other DNS lookup are shown. This corresponds to links content within the skills for all and Google homepage. What are some of the websites that are listed in the DNS standard queries? So websites that are listed in the DNS standard queries. Uh, Website there is Google Analytics says where we can see the information about the we can see from the IP destination, and after that click the box search icon and search for the Netacad. Select string, drop down, so we can see the Netacad. Netacad.com. Search icon Netacad. Paket 687 display 687 bukan. Select string in the drop down. There's nothing. There's nothing. Expand the Ethernet to information to display layer 2. I don't know, but there's no packet tracer. Packet tracer. Netacad. We will try to understand this. Select the first standard query, the Netacad.com website, expand the query details, depend below. Packet list to view the contents of the query packet. So in this query, it must be Netacad one of them, but cannot find either. Uh, but if we find that, we will expand the Ethernet 2 information to display the layer 2 header data contained in the packet. There is a source MAC address is the MAC of the sending device interface. In this case, the Kali VM, and the destination MAC address is the MAC of the default gateway, since the DNS server is not running on the same layer 2 network. So those the source MAC address match the address that you record in part 1. I don't know, but MAC address is yes. And expand the domain system query section. query. Expand the main stem section and see the details of the land. Oh, because we can open the netracker.com on Wireshark, maybe we can see the IP address or the DNS server, and we will see this. But the answers may vary. One thing that we can one thing we can conclude about is the IP address start on 13 and 33 and close Wireshark to return to the CLI from nice and HTTP session. We can use the if config. What is the name interface connected to 10.6.0. It's here BR internal. Yeah. Mine is BR internal, not the BR here. It's 10.6.1. And what is the IP address assigned to the open the Wireshark by typing Wireshark at the command prompt and Wireshark open the browser window. There's nothing. Open the browser window. Enter IP address 10.6.13 on the launch bar. We'll try that. The password is admin. When the main devo page appears, click the instruction on the top of the menu on the left side of the screen. Return to the Wireshark window, stop the capture using the red square icon. Oh, I know that. Wireshark. So we try to Wireshark. And we try to using the instruction logout admin password save instruction, and after that, after login, click instruction, and we will stop this and use the search icon, find on the string post in the cap bracket. In this is the search icon to find the string post in the capture packet post message transfer. We can search the we can search the post, but we can see there's a plenty of posts here. And double click the first post, packet view, the detail of separate, and we will double click. Post message transform the data from the client, double click the first post, and double click, expand the section details HTML from URL as admin password, and we can see the information about the login. It's admin password. What information content in this section is name, username, and password. Cookies are used to various purposes. Most frequently, they are used to save information about the user session, which can be hijacked and used in session hijacking attacks. And the initial cookies for a session is sent from the web server to the client with the set that was found, and expand the hypertext transport protocol section. What value is being set in the cookie being sent from the web server? I don't know. There's no cookies, but we'll see the purposes ID. We'll find that where it's for the cookie being sent to the web server is using purposes ID, and examine the next get packet being sent from the Kali client browser after receiving the cookie information. Expand the hypertext transfer protocol section. Look out for the cookie values being sent in the packet. Where cookie form item. I think we can get that here. Get set cookie. So we can see the purposes ID cookie here is the 6 SSU 5T4 up. Run for research. Close Wireshark, you will find the option to set the pickup file containing recap through or to quit without saving. The cap file will be saved in the current working directory unless otherwise specified. So we will close that. We will save it. We'll save it on here, kali folder 3. Wireshark. So it's finished, and thank you for listening. Saya akhiri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.